Today we'll talk about Kovai, which is now known as Coimbatore, except in Tamil. In 1865, Coimbatore formed as a capital of newly formed Coimbatore district. Coimbatore is situated at the banks of Noel River. Coimbatore is the second largest city of Tamil Nadu after Chennai. Let's talk about Coimbatore, its famous places and its water problems. Stay tuned with me. Vadakkam, I'm Sahil. You are welcome in Aquaguard India. The district experienced a textile boom in 19th century. It's called the Manchester of South India because of its textile work. It is the largest exporter of jewelry. Do you know it's the second cleanest city of Tamil Nadu? If we talk about famous places in Coimbatore, then Adiyogi Shiva statue is one of them. It has a separate place in everyone's heart. And do you know it's world's biggest bus statue? Monkey Waterfalls, VOC Park and Zoo are worth watching places over here. But with the growth of Coimbatore, if we talk about water quality over here, then the line water everywhere but no drop of fresh water to drink suits exactly in many areas of Coimbatore. The water has been biologically contaminated and TDS level is 800 plus, which gives a fair idea of water quality. According to WHO, 2 billion people uses impure water sources. Due to that, 4,85,000 people dies every year. So now it's our responsibility to maintain our and our family's health. If we talk about the solution, then water purification is the solution. But while purchasing a water purifier, we have many questions about the technology, brand, maintenance cost, and the company which helps you in it is Aquaguard India. Aquaguard India is in industry from 17 years with 5,500 service centers in 1,350 cities, network of 20,000 technicians and a family of 15 lakh happy customers. That's why people trust Aquaguard India. You can be in any area of Coimbatore. Aquaguard India provides you a well-trained technician who takes care of hygiene while servicing and uses genuine RCI manufactured spare parts, which is ISI and NSF certified and quality and cost effective. Aquaguard India helps you in water purification installation and any service related to it. You can contact Aquaguard India on its mobile number, which is 926888770. I hope you liked the video, so do like, comment, share and do subscribe the channel. I'll meet in a new video with some new content. Sahil, goodbye.